Hello, I'm Dr. Leona O'Keefe, a family medicine physician and currently the Deputy Health Officer for Josephine County Public Health.
Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Nelson, a colon and rectal surgeon and immediate past Chief of Staff at Three Rivers Medical Center.
For the last year and a half, we have been living through a pandemic the like of which has not been seen for 100 years. In 1918, the Spanish flu swept around the world. While our community here in Josephine County has been relatively safe during this pandemic, these last few weeks have demonstrated that the COVID-19 infection is far from over.
This is extremely disappointing to all of us. We know that mass, social distancing, and talk of vaccines has grown annoying. We are here to encourage you to continue to do what is needed to keep each other safe. Back in the old days of Grants Pass, people and communities would come together to help each other, to raise a barn or sow their crops or care for their livestock. In today's world, we live in a much more fragmented society. It is much more difficult to see how we can support one another in times of need. Typically, a crisis pulls a community together. The fires last year that ravaged Talent and Ashland saw churches and community members here in Grants Pass scrambling to feed and clothe those in need. We are a caring community.
Today, we have a problem of equal magnitude. However, it is much more difficult to see. COVID has been a politicized problem that has divided our community. Unfortunately, it is affecting our community in a very real way. Our hospital is full, and the spread of the virus is at a level that we have never seen before. We are asking for our community to come together the way that we used to help raise a barn or bring in the crops. Each of us can do something to help prevent this illness from spreading.
We'd like to ask you to please join us in doing 3 things to protect our community: to slow the spread of the virus and to prevent members of our community from dying or getting ill. Please wear a mask even if you don't agree with it. Do it to protect others in our community who may be more susceptible to falling ill. Please try and maintain good social distancing to avoid spreading the virus. And last of all, please consider getting vaccinated if you have not been.
There are 3 vaccines available, and they are free. By being vaccinated, you reduce the chance that the virus will be able to spread. This helps to save lives. With our hospital in crisis, caring for patients both with and without COVID, it is imperative that we work together as a community to take care of each other.
In another real way, there are members of our community who are suffering. With so many ill patients from COVID, currently we are not able to take care of our other health problems. Cancer, heart disease, and the treatment of many other health issues must wait. By not being able to care for those patients, others continue to suffer within our community.
Vaccination is the best way to help a community care for each other. Over 100 million people in the United States have now received a COVID vaccine, and vaccination continues to show good results at preventing spread of the virus and at preventing significant illness and death. A booster shot will likely be required, but that won't be a new vaccine. It's the same vaccine to remind your body what the virus looks like so that your body can more successfully fight it off if it sees the virus.
For us to see a return to how life used to be and to care for one another in the community, we need to reach herd immunity. This means that most people in our community must receive the vaccine or get sick. Because so many people are getting sick, very sick, and even dying from a COVID-19 infection, even if they were previously healthy, we strongly encourage you to receive the vaccine. Please check the Josephine County website for availability and distribution sites.
The only contraindication to getting a COVID-19 vaccine is if you have had a severe allergic reaction to the COVID-19 vaccine or one of its ingredients in the past. Everyone aged 12 and up can get a vaccine. The vaccines are safe when trying to become pregnant. They do not cause infertility. The vaccines are safe when pregnant and breastfeeding, and in fact, receiving the vaccine will help to ensure mom and baby remain safe. It is normal to have questions and concerns. Talk to your medical provider or call the Josephine County Public Health Department. We are here to help you.
You have trusted us in our community to fix broken bones, operate for appendicitis, treat heart attacks, sew up cuts, and care for many other health problems for decades. Trust us now that we have the best interest of you and our community in mind. The vaccine is safe, it is effective, and it will protect us. We encourage you to receive the vaccine. Thank you.